Now, President Donald Trump has threatened to take military action in Nigeria if the government doesn't stop the killing of Christians. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, Donald Trump has also warned that the US would stop all aid assistance to Nigeria if military action is taken. Now, any US military intervention in Nigeria without the country's consent or UN Security Council authorization would be considered a violation of international law. And the Nigerian government has pushed back against Trump's threats, defending its efforts to protect religious freedom and vowing to continue fighting violent extremism. Now, if Donald Trump insists with military intervention, it could lead to a potential loss of life, increased instability, and further humanitarian crisis. And also, it could damage the US and Nigerian relations and potential economic sanctions, and also civilian casualties and displacement. Now, this can only lead to negotiations between the US and Nigeria to address concerns about religious freedom and violence, and also an increased aid to affected communities in Nigeria. Now, would it be a good idea for the US president to send troops to Nigeria without consent of the Nigerian government? What are your thoughts?